Hey, good morning, everybody. I want to talk about a blended roll. I want to do a solid background on one of my pieces, and you could do a blended roll on any one of your registrations. And so I want the whole thing covered because I'm not going to have any white paper showing. I'm going to use white as the color, but I want to have this kind of a fun gradient between like a black, a white, and then a black again. And I want the whole thing covered. So I do not have my design drawn out on here because it's just kind of a waste of time. So I'm just going to add my color on right away. So I have my briar out. I have my paper here, or my plastic here, and then I got my colors. So I'm going to first off, I'm going to grab my white, and I'm going to lay down a line in the center. A blended roll can have like 2 colors, it can have 3 colors. It's kind of up to you on how many that you want with it. Next is I'm going to grab some black here. Before you grab that color, do clean your palette knife off. I did not, but I was lucky enough that the white was kind of a little on the stiffer side. So I got a little bit of white in that black, so I screwed up on that. Make sure you do wash this or have another one on hand when you do it. Okay, so I'm gonna take my briar and I'm gonna kind of go back and forth. Now also looking at my black along here, I do have some white in that, so that'd be kind of another issue. Now, the blended roll, part of it is that you are kind of moving this back and forth, to a point. I'm trying to keep, at least some white in the middle and not a gray, but we'll see how good of a job I do here. So I'm kind of losing my white, so I might end up putting some more white on there. But I have my briar here. Actually, it's not that bad. Although I do want a stronger white, so I probably will add more on there after I get some of this ink off. Again, moving left and right a little bit because I'm blending those colors together. I'm tilting my briar this way to make sure I'm getting those edges. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in. I'm going to clean this off real quick because I need white. So I cleaned it off, I dried it. I'm going to grab some white out of here. I'm going to kind of add it back on there. Now I might have to clean my briar off to try to get that white because this is just too dirty. So I'm going to wash this real quick. Okay, I have this washed and dried. I'm going to grab some more color right here. And I might not get the white that I want. It kind of is what it is sometimes. So next time I do this, if I want a stronger white, I might have to actually clean that whole thing off, but it kind of is what it is. Okay, this is all washed up, and we're going to all inked up, and we're going to go run our first print.